Welcome to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Herby Chicken Burgers, or Patties if you prefer. A full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. I've never worked out what the difference between a patty and a burger is still. What do you mean I don't even understand the difference between a skivvy and a wife? I do! A skivvy doesn't give you half as much grief. Okay, to prepare the burgers, use a sharp knife and finely chop an onion, followed by the tarragon and place into a bowl. Next, add the dry oregano to the bowl. Then it's on to the chicken thighs. Using a sharp knife, chop and chop and chop the chicken thighs into very small pieces. The better you chop it, the better the patties will stick together. My best advice is when you think you've done enough chopping, do some more. You could of course put the chicken thighs through a mincer, but we haven't got a mincer, so it's down to the old knife skills, I'm afraid. And when this is done, add the chicken to the bowl of onions and herbs, and using your hand mix through. Next we add salt and pepper to taste. When this is mixed in, it's time to add the 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs and continue to mix together. Then when the breadcrumbs are all amalgamated, divide the patty mixture into 4 and form into burger or patty shapes. Again, I don't know what the difference between a burger and a patty shape is, but you can use your best judgment on that. Then cover and put in the fridge for at least 20 to 30 minutes. When you're ready to cook, heat some oil in a frying pan to a medium heat. Add the burgers to the hot oil. Cover and allow it to fry for 5 to 6 minutes. We cover the burgers while they're frying so the steam will actually help the burgers cook all the way through. Anyway, after 5 or 6 minutes, remove the lid, turn the burgers over, put the lid back on and fry for another 5 or 6 minutes. And when that time is up, remove the lid, give the burgers one more turn over and you should be done. There you have it. Herby Chicken Burgers, or Patties. Why not serve these on our soda bread rolls? I'll link that recipe at the end cards at the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like and hit the notification bell. And hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.